Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today will be the first part of the AC series. Alright, so in this series, we are going to be replacing the entire air conditioning unit of the Proton Inspira, which consists of the compressor, condenser, cooling coil, and the orifice valve. Alright, so it will be multi-parts. Not everything will be in one episode, because if I do that, if I edit all the videos into one episode, it's going to be too long-winded, probably 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so basically I actually forgot to record this introduction, which is why I know how long it takes to replace the entire AC unit. Okay, so for the first part, for this episode, okay, we will be replacing the condenser, which is at the front of the car. Alright, I won't show you the video, I won't show you how to remove the front bumper. I've already done that in the previous video, and I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check out on how to remove the front bumper in order to access the condenser. Alright, so let's not waste time, let's get to it. Okay, so to remove the condenser, we will need to remove the entire front panel here. So again, this is my first time as well, so I think first thing we need to do is remove all the headlights. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to disconnect all the cables as well. Okay, same goes to the other side. Okay, so let's see, to remove this 3 bolts and this cable over here. Yay, okay, it doesn't look that difficult. Okay, yep, not difficult at all. Okay, so to put this in is quite simple. Slot this one into the hole here. Okay, once it catches, just pull it back, go inside here, and then just push it in. Alright, and you have it. That's it, that's done. Okay, I'm tightening it back because I don't think I need to remove this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Okay, so you might want to remove these 3 clips so that you can actually up this thing. Okay, just press it down and push it down. This cable as well, but I think that one we can access from the bottom. I'm sorry, there's a few more clips here. Should come. No, we still need to remove this. This is a size 12 mm. Okay, once we have gotten that loose, I'm going to loosen this cable. This one as well. So I need to disconnect this. You know, I don't need to do that. I'm taking the condenser out. Okay, let's see, how do we take out the condenser? Nah, what the heck, let's get to it. Okay, let's look at the new condenser. Alright, size 10. Okay, it's a bit tight. Okay, definitely tight. Now comes the part on how do I take this out. Now comes the part on how do I take this out. Okay, so I figured out the way to do this. So what you need is probably a screwdriver. Yeah, just a screwdriver basically. Alright, what you need to do is it's actually locked from here, so you need to actually push this so that the metal here actually pops up. Then you can actually push this one and pull it up. Same here. So I've done on this side. Now what we need to do is just pull this one up. Okay, we need to make sure everything doesn't move. Yeah, it's a bit higher. Okay. Pull this one up. If not, just use a mallet and hit it from the bottom. Okay, then just use this, as you can see, unlock it, hit it a bit more, and that's it. Same goes with this side, and we've got it out. Ta-da! Careful when you're removing it so that you don't hit the radiator that's behind it. Ta-da! That's quite dirty. Okay, so let's bring out the new one and see how it is. Okay, from the looks of it, everything seems correct. I just need to transplant a couple of things. Okay, mainly this one. Okay, just press and push, press and push. Would be easy if I have applied it for this one, but it's okay. And then this one, this is easier. Press and push. And there you have it. Transplanted, everything looks good. Everything looks good. Alright, sorry for the rain sound, but let's install the new one back. Okay. Again, careful not to hit the radiator as you lower it down. Okay. So installation, just put it in. Might want to slot this in as well. Oops. A little bit of mallet. Yep. Lock and lock. Okay, that's done.
Alright, there you have it guys. That's how we replace the condenser of the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08 rebatched. Do stay tuned for the future episodes whereby we'll be replacing the compressor and the cooling coil and the orifice tube as well, orifice valve as well. Okay, so as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you think your friends can benefit from this, hit the share button and make sure you hit the bell button and the subscribe button as well so that you know when we're uploading the next video. Alright, till next time, bye!